And one of the questions I wanted to ask you today is that, like, as of the summer of 26 here, when we're recording,
Right.
AI bot traffic has officially, according to Cloudflare, outpaced human traffic on the web. And my question is, like, any agents really even got credit cards yet? Like, we're trying to attract agents who are being ranked in these AI engines where nothing is being sold. How does that work? And do you feel
It's
like there is value in
it's
that,
backwards.
or
It's
is it
back.
all fool's gold?
It's backwards. It's backwards. It's backwards. Okay.
Hmm.
A bunch of people are going to sit here and they're going to work towards the version of AI that is a freaking chatbot. If you really think that is the quote unquote UX UI and version of AI that we've been waiting for, this is not the flying cars. Like, if we are going to get flying cars, this isn't it. So, like, before you go build an entire business model structure and so forth, based on algorithms you don't understand, systems that you don't know, and things that are changing at a rate. Trust me, I've worked in algorithms most of my life. I've tried not to chase them, but Google sure as hell kept changing them, right?
Right.
So the reality is you can either chase that, and again, the people that made money during the gold rush were the guys who sold you the pans and the picks. Most people went after fool's gold and didn't end up making generational wealth. Okay. So you could try that lotto ticket if you really think that's where it's at. But here's my thing. Even agents are a little bit stupid when you think about it. And we haven't even fully adopted them yet. Right.
Yeah.
This is the deet, 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 deet. And for those that are too young to recognize that sound, it's a sound of a dial-up modem. The point in which I'm talking about, where I was helping to develop some of the world's first e-commerce brands on the web before people even had logos to say it's safe to put your credit card. Screens loaded slowly. Like, images took a while to
Line
load.
by line.
We're in that version. You got your internet on a CD-ROM, a technology that you don't even know what I'm talking about, right? It came in the mail. Like, so all I'm saying is the version these are not the droids you're looking for. Like, this is not the version of AI that you should be thinking about right now. What you should be doing is taking all of the effort, money, and thought process where you're trying to chase, am I going to show up? Am I going to show up? Am I going to show up? And instead, you should be thinking, what's in my control? I control, first and foremost, hopefully my own website. And even that's questionable, because if you're at a mid-sized company or a large company, everyone's getting their fingers in there and outdoing each other and screwing things up. And one side is building a sandcastle and the other side's eroding because it's too close to the ocean.